Liverpool signs Bradley Barcola, 120 million British pounds, 100 million upfront and 20 million in add-ons. Guys, I'm ecstatic. Fabrizio has dropped it. David Ornstein as well. Sky Sports. So you know it's official, guys. I'm so excited. I'm gassed as a Liverpool supporter, waiting and waiting for transfers to happen, for Liverpool to sign players. It's been a terrible transfer window this far, but hopefully this is only the beginning, guys. We have about 5 days left. So yeah, what can Liverpool expect? Liverpool fans expect from Bradley Barcola. You know, guys, I don't watch a lot of PSG matches. I do watch Champions League and a bit of the international football. So yeah, I do watch Bradley Barcola when he does start. So what can we expect? Explosive pace, guys. I think that Barcola's one of his strongest points is his acceleration. He can receive the ball wide, attack the fullbacks, create chances. So I'm extremely happy. We need pace down those wings. I remember the days where Mane, Salah were explosive down the wings. We can also expect goals and assists. He's simply not just a pace merchant, guys. Last year in La Liga, the 2024-2025 season, 20 goals in the league and about 10 assists as well. So that's a 30-goal contribution. Liverpool aren't just buying somebody down the wing or somebody that's one side. He can play on both sides as well. Somebody that attacks the goal. So that is something that we miss, guys. His 1v1 ability as well. This could be one of the most exciting parts for Liverpool supporters. Barcola likes isolating defenders and driving inside. He can make defenders back off because they're worried about his space as well. He's still very young, guys. He's still developing as a footballer. You know, 22, 20, 23, about to turn 23. So I think he's the perfect fit for Liverpool. He has that mentality already of tracking back, working for the team under Luis Enrique. That's their style of football play. That's the style of football play that Iraola has. You need to work, and track back. It's not just about your attacking ability. So I think that's a positive as well. What he can do, why he's the fit for Liverpool. He can stay wide and stretch the defense, attack the spaces between the defenders or behind the defenders, cut inside. Cody Gakpo loves to cut inside, but he's always hitting the first defender when taking that shot. Bradley Barcola can combine with the strikers, create chances, score himself as well. And I think that we miss that counter-attacking football, and that's something that he's going to bring as well. Yes, 120 million pounds is a lot, but I think it's worth it, guys. I think it is definitely worth it. We need a player that has the ability to score 20 goals and plus, and at least assist, because losing Salah is going to be a big impact on our season. So, guys, I'm extremely happy. Liverpool have finally got the player. Guys, we're hoping for more. I'm sure that we are going to get a couple of more signings. So, yeah, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in. We out, but please like, share, and subscribe once again, guys. Thank you.